Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a good day. My name is Faith, again back with a short video on all things mortgage. I am your go-to lender, licensed in 5 states, that is Texas, Missouri, Pennsylvania, Kansas, and Georgia. Today, I'm going to be talking about what lenders look for to pre-approve you or to pre-qualify you for a mortgage loan. Personally, I try to make the process very easy and seamless for everyone. You'll be surprised I only need 4 things from you. Can you imagine that? Only 4 things. So if you're a first-time home buyer or you never thought about buying a home, come on now. I just asked for 4 things and you will be surprised. It's not a lot, okay? Now, first of all, before I talk about the documents that I do need, of course, you have to submit an application. My link is very mobile friendly. That means you can even do an application using your cell phone once I send you my link. Again, it takes only 5 to 10 minutes to submit an application. It's more like a questionnaire, to be honest with you. Once I have the application with me, now you will provide me with the 4 documents. Number 1, let's get to it. Number 1, if you're employed, I'm going to need your most recent 2 years of W-2s. Right now, we're in 2025, so I'm asking for 2023 and 2024 W-2s. Some of you might ask, why 2 years? Why not 1 year? 2 years because according to the mortgage law, if you've been working for the last 2 years, and you're still working right now, we term that as stable income because it's most likely your employment is likely to continue. Now, let's say you were in school for the last maybe 1 year and you just worked for 1 year. School can also be used to substitute for the job gap. That means they can use your school transcripts to cover the 1 year. Then 1 year, the other year, I can use your W-2. That's the only time we can use 1 year of W-2. That is if you are in school. The other year, we can substitute it for the school transcript. Actually, as a matter of fact, if you're in school for the last 2 years and you just got a job and you started working, you can still buy a home. Number 2, I'm going to need your most recent 30 days of pay stubs. So if you're employed, it's going to be your most recent 30 days of pay stubs. If you're paid bi-weekly or every 2 weeks, of course, it's the last 2 pay stubs. If you're paying monthly, it's 1 pay stub, but I tell people to give me 2 pay stubs. It doesn't matter how often that you're paid, to be on the safe side. Number 3, I'm going to require a government issued identification. It can be your passport, it can be your identification card, it can be your driver's license. The last thing that I need is the most recent 60 days of bank statement or the most recent 2 months of bank statement. Now, if you don't have money in the bank, you can use your 401k, you can use your stock account. Think of any cash that can be liquidated. We can substitute that for the bank statement. The reason we ask for that is because we need to check that you have some assets. You're buying a house here, right? So I hope I answered that question. I hope you can see how easy that is. Please reach out to me if you want to buy or refinance in any of the states or refer people to me. Again, my motto stands as making home ownership dreams come true one at a time. My phone number is 469-761-2734. God bless you and see you next week. Thank you.